How to fix Counter-Strike Global Offensive is crashing on Steam or CSGO. First, you want to go to your library, right-click on the game and open up the properties window. Now in the General tab and the Launch options, you want to add -dx11 and then go to Installed Files and click on Verify the Integrity of Game Files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam and then you want to open up a new browser tab and search for Redist. Click on the first Microsoft link. Now from the second table here, you want to download the 86 installer and the 64 and install both of these here. For the first time after installation, you want to, or basically will ask you to restart your computer. And after the restart, you will also need to check if you have the latest GPU updates installed. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you can use the NVIDIA app. And if you have AMD, you can download and install the AMD software. Go to drivers and then select Game Ready driver and check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest available updates. Next, you want to run Steam as admin. You can search for Steam, right click and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your library and this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.